So good morning students. Today we will discuss consumer equilibrium in two commodity case. So what a consumer equilibrium in two commodity case says? That in real life consumer is spending his income on more than one commodity. That means he is consuming more than one commodity in real life and making the expenditure on them. But for the understanding point of view, we are assuming that he is spending his entire income only on two commodities. And the name of these two commodities are commodity X and commodity Y. So this concept of consumer equilibrium in two commodity case is explained by the law of equimarginal utility. This law is also known as law of substitution, law of maximum satisfaction, or the Godin's law of second law. And this law states that the consumer wants to allocate his money income between the two goods to attain the equilibrium. That means the consumer is making an expenditure of his income on these two commodities only and tries to maximize his satisfaction. Fine. So let's see how he will maximize his satisfaction. So students, here we can assume that he is consuming two commodities, commodity X and commodity Y. Fine. So for the understanding sake of you, for a time being, we will just assume that he is consuming commodity X. And if he is consuming only commodity X, so how he will attain the equilibrium? Mux upon Px is equal to Mum. So Mux is marginal utility of X, Px is price of the commodity X, and Mum is marginal utility of money. And we know this Mum remains the constant. It always remains constant. So if we attain equilibrium in case of commodity X by this equation, which is Mux upon Px is equal to Muy, in the same manner, in case of commodity Y, equilibrium can be maintained at Muy upon Py is equal to Mum. Or we can write this equation as Mux upon Px is equal to Muy upon Py, as Mum is constant in both the cases, so it will cancel out and only this equation will remain. This is the condition of equilibrium. So every consumer wants to remain in this situation, but it always doesn't happen. He may find himself in disequilibrium, and it is denoted as Mux upon Px is greater than Muy upon Py. This is the first condition of disequilibrium. So here he is getting more of satisfaction from the commodity X as compared to the commodity Y. So to go back in the equilibrium, what he will do, what this consumer will do, he will consume more of commodity X. He will increase the consumption of commodity X and he will decrease the consumption of commodity Y, because by doing so he will decreasing the Mu of X, because when the consumption increases, the every additional or the successive unit will provide you less satisfaction as per the law of DMU. So when we increase the consumption of commodity X, the MUX will decrease, and when we decrease the consumption of when we decrease the consumption of commodity X, the MU of Y, marginal utility of Y, will increase. So by taking these actions, he will resume his equilibrium, which is MUX upon PX is equal to MUY upon PY. Whereas, if we talk about the second condition of this equilibrium, which is MUX upon PX is less than MUY upon PY. So what a consumer will do? He will increase the consumption of commodity Y and he will decrease the consumption of commodity X. When he will increase the consumption of commodity